Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of array. An impressive display or range of a particular type of thing. For example, there is a vast array of literature on the topic. The second definition of array. An ordered series or arrangement. For example, several arrays of solar panels will help provide power. American pronunciation. Array. Array. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Array. Say. Array. Array means impressive display or range. Array. Array. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The children were greatly impressed with the vast array of technology on board. Now, repeat after me. The children were greatly impressed with the vast array of technology on board. The second practice. The Irish Wildlife Trust marquee housed a vast array of displays and information stands. Now, repeat after me. The Irish Wildlife Trust marquee housed a vast array of displays and information stands.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.